Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to set up Shopify for dropshipping. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So the very first thing that you need to do is simply incorporate an application. So simply head over to your search bar on top and search in here for dropshipping and search for that. Actually, you need to do that in the App Store. So I'm going to be simply copying this and search in Shopify store. Here you should be able to find different integrations related to Shopify dropshipping. You can see we have D-serves in AliExpress dropshipping and many others which even offer free plans. So you can opt for any of these and you will be easily set up for Shopify dropshipping. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.